After Africa VR Campus and Center closed 2024 with a bang.
We are back at it in 2025 with weekly metaverse events discussing a variety of topics.
Because of the things that we are talking about.
Every Thursday in Engage XR and every Wednesday in Banter VR.
Degradation, war, hate, racism, tribalism, corruption are one of the effects that these drugs happen, and you can literally see these young men have been zombified. What is happening to my fellow youth? What makes me, or what could drive me that I be in that very same situation?
And what I would want to say is that what would take you, I think, to that point may be peer pressure. If you were a very young person in school, or, oh, come on, everybody's doing it, don't you want to belong? Some kids do that.
You know people and you're on the same page and they take a different route and you can't understand it.
On their phone. And then the problem is that these apps are intentionally made to be very addictive. There's what they call attention engineers, people who figure out how to make it as, I guess, addictive as possible, like the
for the village. Don't ask me for a or on TikTok. Endeavor to become an engineer. How many dancers can there be in a country, Jerry? How many? Because it seems as if you have over 1 million or maybe 2 million dancers in the country. And this is mental genocide.
We held watch parties on Africa's documentaries on history and trends.
Freedom fighters family. My mother was a freedom fighter.
And used Web3 for our international Zooms.
Morning digital day. Avatar identity, which is a digital identity, because we are all in the cyberspace.
And she brought her girls in. We've had one interaction, and then I've been able to go to the VR campus and engage and experience what they're doing over there, which is fabulous.
With our students starting their academical Web3 year with photogrammetry classes.
To say thank you for the knowledge that you have shared with us, and we are looking into more of this.
I too am looking forward to where we're going to go with this, and in particular I'm looking forward in the next couple of weeks to see what models you are able to produce.
Africa VR Campus and Center is also helping onboard more African organizations and institutions to the metaverse.
Welcome to Mars. We're McKinney School on Mars. Yeah, I can definitely see opportunities for this, and also thinking about partnerships globally with other schools in spaces like this.
And sometimes we just chilled in the metaverse. This is paradise.
And attended metaverse events that helped us grow mentally and socially.
So a lot of psychologists wish that they had that kind of limelight, but he's a brilliant man and came up with a new way of looking at things, so he couldn't have made a better choice, Scott. That's just great.
We also attended numerous metaverse workshops and meetups.
Which has a bot in there.
Oh yeah? I think basically somebody speaks to you in a bit. Okay, both ways. Okay.
Both ways, yeah. And both of them have got that built into them.
And had mad fun playing metaverse games.
So,
nice to see you, Helen.
All right, Paul, it was nice to see you.
All right, bye-bye. Yeah. I'm down here.
Bye-bye.
In the field. Nope. Thank goodness, it's been a while. I didn't play this game. Is it?
Yeah, here's the ice.
Oh,
yeah, don't break the leg.
Oh my goodness.
Ready to go skating. Ready to go skating.
It's serious slippery.
Africa VR Campus and Center. Bringing Africa into the metaverse and to the world.